Hello, here's a very simple video to show you how to get the day of a date. So, in other words, if I put in the 1st of January 2022, was it a Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday? What was it? Now, there's certain formatting and other ways that you can do this, but a very, very simple way that you can do it is just to ask for the text and format it as a day, which means you simply put in equals text, open the brackets. That's the value you want to type as a text. And then the comma, and it asks you for the format of the text, and you put this within those little speech brackets. So you open those and you put day, 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 close the speech brackets, close the main brackets, and there you've got yourself a formula. The 1st of January 2022 was a Saturday. The 20th of July 2022 was a Wednesday, etc. If you want that to say the full name rather than just the WED, you can add another D in there. With 4 Ds, it goes, well, it doesn't want a 3-day format. It won't give you a 4-day because it's not recognized. So the next thing up would be to type in the full day. So now it actually says the Wednesday. So you go 1st of October, Saturday, and so on and so forth. So, yep, if that's useful to you, I wish you all the best. Thank you and goodbye.